South Asia's got it all. Ancient temples, lush jungles, killer beaches, and some seriously tasty street food. Plus, it won't break the bank. It's safe and it's super easy to hop around neighboring countries. So whether you're flying solo, rolling with a family, or dipping your toes into backpacking for the first time, Southeast Asia's where it's at. Check out our top picks and let's get this adventure started. Number one, Angkor Wat, Cambodia. So Angkor Wat's in Siem Reap province, Cambodia. You can hop on a flight to Siem Reap International Airport, which is pretty well connected to other big cities around Southeast Asia. The new airport has been up and running since late 2023, and unlike the old one, it's about an hour drive to the city and the Angkor Archaeological Park. Angkor Wat is like the holy grail of ancient temples. It's massive with crazy intricate carvings, and it's basically the king of religious monuments worldwide. Checking out this temple complex is like stepping back in time to when the Khmer Empire was rocking the ancient world. Cambodia's got some killer heat, especially during the dry season. And when you are visiting Angkor Wat, remember to dress modestly. Cover those shoulders and knees out of respect for the temple's secured vibe. Number two, Bali, Indonesia. Alright, so Bali is this island paradise in Indonesia. To get there, you're looking at flights into the international airport in Denpasar, Bali. Loads of international airlines fly straight to Bali from all over the place. Bali's got everything from dreamy beaches to lush rice terraces and a vibe that's just so chill. You can dive into Balinese culture, hit up some epic surf spots, and pig out on some seriously delicious food. Traffic in places like Kuta and Seminyak can be a bit of nightmare, so brace yourself. And when you are cruising around, be cool with the local customs. That means covering up when you are hitting temples and getting involved in religious stuff. Number three, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai is up north in Thailand. You can fly straight into Chiang Mai International Airport or catch a train or bus from Bangkok. Chiang Mai is like a cultural wonderland. You've got ancient temples, bustling markets, and lush mountains all into one. Plus, you can get stuck into Thai cooking classes and do some epic trekking. Watch out for tourist traps, especially around the night bazaar, and be respectful of the local customs. That means taking your shoes off at temples and dressing appropriately for religious stuff. Oh, and try to pick a time when the air quality is decent. It can get pretty smoggy. Number four, Luang Prabang, Laos. Luang Prabang is up in northern Laos. You can fly into Luang Prabang International Airport or make the journey overland from other cities nearby. This place is like a picture perfect postcard come to life. It's got these well preserved buildings, chill monasteries, and it's right by the Mekong River. Plus, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, it's legit. Show some respect for the local culture, take your shoes off at temples, and maybe dial back the PDA a bit. Number five, Penang, Malaysia. Penang is hanging out on the northwest coast of Malaysia. You can fly into Penang International Airport or by bus or train from other spots in Malaysia. Penang's like this melting pot of cultures with its mix of historic buildings, street art, and amazing street food. You can wander around Georgetown, check out the cool murals, and chow down on some seriously tasty grub. Traffic can be a bit wild, especially in Georgetown, and make sure to respect the local customs. That means covering up when you are hitting up temples and mosques. Narrowing down our list to just 5 destinations in Southeast Asia was no joke. That's just so much incredible stuff to see and do around here. And just a heads up, this list is more geared toward visitors, not us long term expats.